Hi guys, Jean here with more Mars anomalies. Today I want to show you what looks like twisted pipe or tubing on the Martian surface. There's the first piece that I could find, and I'm zoomed in at 500% on that one, and as you can see, it looks as if it's got a constant diameter throughout. I'll quickly show you the other one. Hopefully I can find it quite quickly, guys, because this is also one of those mammoth images. It is really huge as well. Let's have here. Here's the other piece. Okay, let it just quickly load the image. These images really place a lot of stress on my computer's processor. That's why the temperature warning keeps popping up on my screen, guys. Sorry about that. Here's the other piece. Also the same sort of diameter and also very twisted, and it definitely looks as if it's round and could be pipe or tubing. And then I just quickly want to show you guys in context what similar sort of tubing looks like, if you could call it that. These are ribs that are caused by sediment, as I understand it. Look at these. Now compare it to that, which is twisted and sort of has geometry to it. These are all virtually straight with no bends or twists or loops in it. Look at these, they're all relatively straight. Let me zoom into it to show you guys with smaller screens what I'm talking about. Right. Let's quickly find the reference point. Check it out. Process is heating up again. Here's that other pipe. The second one. Let me show you. I think they call it fretting. I'm not sure. There you can see it. You see, guys, this looks a lot different. These are virtually straight, and they don't look remotely like those two pieces of piping. Let me take you back to the other one. Hopefully I can find it quickly again. No, that's not it there. But that also looks a little suspicious. Okay, I'll just have to zoom out a bit more. I know it's between two craters. Let me quickly find them. There's the one, there's the other, so that thing's got to be here. There it is. Okay. Now look at that again, guys. Look at the bends. Almost sort of geometry in that shape. So it definitely bends back. And there's a kink there. Now let's look at some of the sedimentary lines in the area. There goes my processor again. Now let me just find some. There we go, guys. Look at that. Now these also look like tubes, but they are definitely not bent and looped back on each other. Okay, so that's that. I haven't included this in my blog yet. I'll do that as soon as I get a chance. I'll try and do that tomorrow. I'll put enhanced versions of these graphics there for you. And then I just want to do a quick update on the cave entrance or cavity that I found a day or two ago. I actually went inside there. That's the cave. For you guys that are familiar, please check that video out. It's the one just before this one. This is the second update. Now this is after I've enhanced it a lot. I really increased the brightness and the contrast of it. There it is in a cropped version, just to give you guys an idea what it looks like. And there's a mound in front of it, and I suspect that might be, after they hollowed this out, that they deposited the sand or ground there, and that's what might have caused that heap. Pure speculation. Now inside that cavity or cave entrance, I found what looks like a bent pipe. It's sort of looped. There's two of them there. There's one, there's the other. Then I found another one that's bent at 90 degrees. There's another piece of pipe that looks bent into a loop. And at the back there, in a triangle, if you follow the mouse pointer, there's what looks like a grid. It's got another tube in it there and another one there. So it's definitely some symmetry in that. And then these, Dawn Hernandez, one of my channel viewers, speculates that these could possibly be pipes from a pumping station. I don't know what it could be pumping, possibly water, but those look like pipes bent into loops as well. And then there's some other junk lying here. I'm not sure how to classify it. And there, guys, have a look at this image. I'll include it in the video description below, and that was the two squares that I found in a crater to the right of this cave entrance or cavity, and then there looked like tubing as well, some pipes involved in that construction there. I'm not sure what to call that thing either. So yeah, let's see if I can zoom in on this a bit for you guys. There we go. Alright, so there goes the processor again. There's a bent pipe, there's a bent pipe, there's one bent at 90-degree angle, there's another piece that's bent, then that grid in the background in a triangular form. There's a tube, there's another one there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 tubes coming down in that one, and then there's the pipe there. Looks like there's a pipe, another one there. And I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, guys, pure speculation. Are these pipes? It doesn't look natural. Okay, so I'll include these the latest findings in my blog. You guys can go there for enhanced images, and please remember, subscribe, like and share. Let's get these anomalies out to the people that haven't seen them yet. Let's spread the word about Mars, and let's get the truth out there, guys. Thanks again for watching. I'll include the link to this NASA image in the video description below, and once I've updated the blog, I'll include that link in the video description too. I'll update that tomorrow for you guys. Thanks for watching, and keep well, be safe. Talk to you soon. Bye bye for now.